Compound, Minas Santiago, and Hombre. For JTech, we have Garcia, Russia, Mamukut, Tubig, Quezon, Sanchez, and Cañares.
Line judge, keep line judge now. Keeper. Ate ka, pabigay mo naman kay ano yan. Wag. Si ano? Let. Semifinals match, race to 21 with boost. Arvin, huwag kang sumisimasimango dyan, Arvin. Okay, reminder lang po, play go, clean as you go. Dumating po tayo malinis yung court, aalis tayo malinis yung court. We would like to thank our sponsors for today's one-day league, Artisan Architects, Casa Rivera, Zero Republic Sportswear. Starting this match, Cañares serving the ball. Cañares tinarget si Arvin, Pau hinabol. 10, our system. Nice one. Ace. 21 photo with boost. 21 with boost. Pinalo. Of Black Ken Sampan.
pala, no? Wait lang ha, mga bata.
Service, Dizon. Received by Choco. Set. Away. Received by Guillermo. Kick by Ken. Over by Gian. Received by Gian. Pumalo po si Kuya Mokotayas. Received by Kick by Kim. Follow Kuya Mokotayas. 4. 10-7. Naka-match po naman. Service by Kuya Mujero. Received by Gian. Point para Mamuto. Service by Kenyara. With the service, service again by Kenyara. Outside. Service by Arvin Home. Score 11-10. Service by Gian. Good service. Pinalo ni Choco. Received by Peñares. Set by Gian. Over by DJ. Score 11-all. Service by Gian. Receive by Diego. Palo ni Ken. Pasok sa mga na-receive ni Season. Palo ni DJ. Outside. 4-11. Service ka na. Baka lang Choco. Gilay ba yung commentator na wala commentator? Good service by outside.
Choco, focus!
12-all. Survey, Mamupol. Good serve. Received by Arvin. Drop. Houston. Palo ni DJ. Ayaw ulit. Score by DJ Lucia. Simulan ng pagkakaan. 1 versus platform. Service again by CJ Mamupol. Let the Cinderella run begin. If you can do it outside, okay, 13-all. Again, service by Nam. Good service, receive ni Gizon, papalo ulit si Lucia. Nakula-block, score, now, Wolfgang. Still serving. Paulo Paz. Received by Aterek. Palo ni Lucia. Long shot. Nakupo si Ken Pumalo. Pasok. Line shot ni Ken. Score 15-13. Balang na po ang lamang ng Wolfgang. Service to Lord by Tan for CGT. Service. DJ Lucia. Focus down. Sabi ni DJ. Good service is by DJ Lucia. 15-all. Sino ang magwawag at papasok sa championship? Service. DJ Lucia. Good serve, outside, inside by Paul. Service is again by DJ Lucia. Naku po, makarating na po tayo sa end part ng ating game semifinal. Jacob versus Wolfgang. Still serving DJ Lucia. Good service, receive the Choco, sinet kay Ken, pasok, okay. Set niya po kay Peñares. Na-block po ni Kuya Santiago. 16-all. Sino ang unang kukura? Service by Ken. Nice serve, but good receive by pinalo po ni DJ Bob Squad at DJ Lucia. 17-16. Well, service by Kuya Rex Tuli. Let's fucking go, Kuya Rex. Good service, naku po, outside. 17-all. Ayan na naman po. Galingan niyo po kung pag-deliver mo dyan. Parang sakit ang pagkakalo sa kakakalo. Let's go, Ate Kim mo. Service by Kim Meneses. Nice service. Receiving DJ. Papalo ulit. Si Gian. Change favor po ulit tayo. 18-17. Senior ang unang kukura. Pinakamahan na po tayo dito. Service by Izo. Let's go.
Nice service outside naman sana, pero kinuha ni Ken. Perfect. Ombre. Receive ni Kiza na matalas. DJ pumalo ulit! Let's fucking go. DJ 19-17. Alright, time out. As requested by Team Bogan. This is our video song your commenting for Dolce. Wala pong bayan ko. Kita mo. Parang nakita na po natin itong ganitong sitwasyon na kung saan yung number 4 ay umakyat sa number 1. But the question is, will Wolf Dogs accept the defeat or they will fight back and service by Nathan? This is by Ken. Papalo ulit si Ombre. Ako, blocked by Gian. Set, fight! Everybody, score is 7-20. Choking Daddy is real. Choking is real in Saco. Service by Tizon na upo. Ayan, pasok pa rin. Papalo na. Pasok pa din. Ayan po. Ay. Pasok sa mga yung tangan po yung mga report. Okay, the tension is building up. Let's go everybody. Score! 18-20. Nasa likod po si Rusya. Pero nasa harap si DJ. Ay, si Gian. Go Gian, paluin na. Isa pa po Canyares. Perfect! Naku. Ayan si Robert Makalo yung sigurado. Naku. Good! Ayan no. 19-20.
Tama mo!
Ay, gusto. Ladies and gentlemen, huwag kayong magsalita. Naku. Gian, patayin mo, hindi mamamatay ka na ako. Pasok. Papalo si Ombre. Ayan po. Ayan, DJ, ayaw. Naku, perfect. Exclusive by Ken. Naku po si Ombre. Boost. Sige, kabahan na. Kabahan dyan. Kabahan na dapat kabahan. Gian, tibayan mo yung team mo dyan. Service by Jerome. This is by. Ayan na po na kayo. Let's go. Okay, set point again by Jaden. Everybody here. And nasa harapan na po si DJ Rusya. Sino ang puto? Naku po! Pasok sa mga kabina. Si Tan ay bigla na patay ng bata. Ayan na po si DJ Rusya. Isa pa po DJ Rusya. Naku po! Ayan na po. Tapos na ang laban. Ano yun? Ano yun po? Net? Net siya? Okay, neta tayo. Balik po tayo sa protocol. Guys, sabibagan sa mga pabilisan nyo. Pwede tayo ako. Ako po. I suggest you guys breathe. You guys can call time out to break it. Service by Gian Garcia. Set point by Gian Garcia. Received by Jerome. Ayan po si Ken. Naku po. 22 all. Dead block. Nice serve by Choco and Teresa. Na-block siya. Okay, set point finally for the first time. Team Wolf Dogs. They're fighting and they're fighting again. Nice serve by Choco. This is the season. Ayan naman po si Teresa. Perfect! Ayan na naman. Nakpulong. Deadlock ulit. 23 all. Sultan Inanesin ang unang pupunta. Mag-ready na tayo mga ito. 35 mamukol. Set 3-10. Good. Ayan po. Ayan. Pasok. Naku po. Ayan. Palo. Guys, may time out ha. Guys, may time out kung gusto nyo humin ha. Quintet. J-Tech. Service by time. Service me. Pasok yan! Ayan na. Ayan na po tayo. Oh shit. Dahan-dahan po tayo. Humampas ba ang ulo? Hindi naman. Okay, kailangan ba ng medic? Sino ba yun? Si Ken? Humampas. Sa net mo? Sa tali doon? Shit. Are you okay, Ken? You have 1 minute to decide if you're going back to the joke. Joke lang. Palakpakan natin guys ang both teams. Palakpakan natin. Shake it off, okay? Certain DJ knows what it means. Naku po, nasa likod ang ating drummer. Time out daw po. Wala na silang time out, diba? Wala na silang time out na utilize na po kanina. Punti. Service by DJ Lucia. Everyone, 24. On. Choco, receive. And then Ken is gonna fight. As if nothing happened. No injuries involved. No one got hurt. The main gunners are at the back with me. Andre is in front and Tubi. Parehong video. Maglalaban ng kayo. At si Canyares. Ay, naku po! Deadlock, 25 all. Sana ginawa na lang natin 31 kung ganito pa lang magiging score. Service by Lance Tubi. This is by Jen Papalosi. Outside. Naku po. Okay, set point again. Si J-Tech. What an exciting semifinals. This is by Ombong si Ombong yan. Oh, pasok sa mga kapit sa dito. Home run. 26 all. Service by Jimenez. Ano ka sa akin kamakawa? Gian, gumawa ka dyan para ka. Service by Jimenez. Sino po ang tatargeting? Si DJ ang nag-receive, it means papalo. Si Gian. Perfect. Ay, nakupo. Ay! Nakupo. Kasi sa Gian. Perfect. Ay, nakupo. Choco, papalo. Ayan. Palo ka, Gian. Ay! Last one again. Sino ang unang bukura? Set point by Teamwork na Luto. Service Jimenez. Ay, ako po. Ayan si Gian. Papalukin na. Ay, may hintay yung papasok Service. Kesa mala. Isang ikot na lang ang Tira ko. Service by Rizal. Okay, tayo sa si Kim. Papalo ulit si Ombre. Nakupo ulit. Coach niya, perfect. Ay, si Ombre, laki po. Ayan. Canyares, bigyan niya lang. Perfect. Laki po. Isa pa. Canyares tayo. Perfect. Okay. Easy go! Naku, Mundi. Set point again. By Jacob. What an exciting game, you guys. Wala mo finals. Ayan. Kizon, naku po, pasok ang service. Ayan. Sinapapalo si Ombre. Ay naku, ayan nga ang labanan. Sa dulo ang pupukan. Tapos ang laban. Hindi pa kaya. Ayan na po. Si Choco. Ayan si DJ. Binibigyan na lahat. Gian, service. Naku po, Gian. You had all the time. You had all the chances. But you blew away, bitch. Gian, you should feel bad about that. Okay, service again. 5-0. Deadlock, ulit po tayo. Si DJ lang. Ayan na, DJ. Ay, naku po. Ayan na si Hombre. Ayan, nasa political. Next to the new board. Kalimahin mo yung mga pagpili dyan. Set board. Parang ganito yung nangyari ng finals namin last time. DJ Lizzie, papalo si Gian. So DJ is back in front of the Rockers. So it means the threat is real, everybody. Paubos na po yung scoreboard. Tapusin nyo na yan. 29 all service by Canales. Outside, Nakuday. Okay, hina everyone. Huwag niyong ganyan. Labas po ang mga nasa gilid. Everybody, lumayo po kayo dyan. Lumayo kayo dyan. Keeper, labas kayo. Received by Canales. Papasok. Ay! Ayan na. Nakuday. Tangkin mo. Hindi ko ba nakakausin ng punyeta kayo? 30 all. Hanggang nyo na po. Go Gia, service. Ayan. Okay, sinubol na po. Keris na na po. Ay! Choco, score.
Nice one, Choco!
Mag-receive kayo ng eye check kung gusto nyo pang mag-extra. Score 31-13. Whoever wins this game, you guys did a great job. Service received by Kizon Papalo. DJ! Nakudol. Oh my God. What happened? Wait lang po. Spring. Or ano? What happened? Can you give me water or something? Okay, palakpakan naman natin ang mga na-paano natin. Hindi nga sa bago pa ang show. First time yung motivator parang nagsisisiyan ko natin. DJ, thumbs up lang if you're okay to play. DJ, thumbs up lang if you're okay to play. Okay, good po tayo ulit. Score, 31 all. Maubos na talaga to. 1 all.
0-0.
1 all, everybody. 31 all. Service by Mamupol. Okay, we receive Nikki, so I need Kaya is not. 32-31.
Jet.
Service by Tan. Service by Tan. Ni-receive po ni Canales at Isidore. Para PJ. Papalo si Ken. Ayun na. Yun na lang ang nangyari. Bumitaw sa dulo ang Team J-Tech. But guys, palakpakan naman natin what semi-final game. Pasok na po sa finals ang Team Warriors. Congrats everybody. Palakpakan nyo kami kasi narinig niya. Thank you. This is our reason you, motherfuckers, signing off.